pleasant day. I will talk about this urgent topic that needs the utmost attention because destroying its balance can be the doom of humanity, the biodiversity in our world. According to the World Wildlife Foundation or WWF organization, the biodiversity in our world has an average loss of 68% in mammal, bird, fish, reptile, and amphibian populations since 1970. And this is definitely not good. So let us ask ourselves, what has led to this dilemma? Is our world really developing? What kind of development do we want to achieve? Yes, our technologies, infrastructures, and our knowledge in general have significantly improved than before. But are we using this knowledge to go in the right path? If you see the bigger picture of what is happening worldwide, will you call it a development of any significance? Destruction from here to there with the goal of building and constructing something. Look, I'm not saying that all the things that we have done are not good, but the implications of it, regardless of anything, we must have an end goal to what extent of development we want. There are also what we call the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. And the ninth goal listed here is to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive, sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. Delving deeper into this goal, what do you perceive? Yes, you think it is good. But for what? Mainly. Well, economics, and not mainly for our environment. Let me say this. Destruction is invariably the obverse phase of construction. Thus, to build more infrastructures, there must be something to be destroyed. This destruction brought by humanity has destroyed many habitats, and many species have also become extinct. Destroying the habitats of the animals is the same as putting danger to biodiversity. Through this lens, we see that economics has become the main priority of the human race for profit. Again, I hereby emphasize my point. We must have a concrete and precise plan to what extent of development we want, not just to develop aimlessly. Without a balance in the things we do will bring imbalance, and imbalance will produce dilemma. Without philosophizing anything, look around our world. You see, it is depleting, and our biodiversity is lessening. By affecting biodiversity, it can also disrupt and bring damage to the food chain in the ecosystem. Now, where must we look? You see now, in terms of biodiversity, where is it mostly found? In forests, right? National Geographic has stated that the forest worldwide only covers 30% of the world. And since 1990, the world has lost 420 million hectares of the forest worldwide. So, what can we do now? As I said, we must have a precise plan and end goal to what extent of development we want. And of course, stop destroying the forest and nature. We have enough land for the economy. Let us save for nature. We may upgrade what we have built, but stop the further destruction of our environment and start planting. In this way, biodiversity can also increase by bringing back the lost homes of the species. One must never forget that the right means will work in the wrong way if used by the wrong people. Thus, I hereby implore you to act up and speak up concerning the state of our biodiversity, and that bringing back the habitat of the species that we destroyed can have a significant positive effect on repairing biodiversity loss. Not only will our biodiversity benefit, but the earth itself, because everything is connected to anything else in our world. This will also give our Mother Nature time to recuperate itself naturally and can give hope for a better future with the hope of sustaining and improving the biodiversity in our world. Thank you for listening. Please stay safe, everyone, and always take a stand for our biosphere.